Construction of the first Bay Area diverging diamond interchange continues in the city of Vallejo. Motorists will soon experience the new configurations crews have been diligently building. Here you can see signs of the shift that will take motorists into the opposite side of the road, where they can safely traverse, either enter the on-ramp to SR-37 or continue on to Fairgrounds Drive. Here to your left you can see as crews start the final stages of building out the pedestrian walkway. When drivers exit State Route 37 towards Fairgrounds Drive, they will do so without signal delay. Construction crews are on schedule. The new lane configuration will go into effect May 15th to Saturday, May 16th. For more information, go to sta.ca.gov.